Two trains going by each other on Herington Sub, just out here at Hutch, here on Blanchard. Westbound is here on the siding. Eastbound is going by on the main. Westbound starting to slow down because the main the siding track is just about filled up. He's down there just down there by the Whiteside elevator. Two DPU 6677, and let's see, 5201. Both of them are pretty long, and as you can see, the westbound is just about filled up the siding. The siding's going to be a little bit longer. The siding's going to go about another probably quarter mile or mile out from Whiteside elevator. So, and then probably merge back in so they can carry more trains. She's just about stopped. And it's time for me to head back to the car. I thought this is just one way. What? This road. Actually, it looks like he's stopping too, so I don't know. One way. This is not a one-way road, Mom. 7942 is that engine's DPU. Both of them got quite a long trains, but one of them's got to go on the siding. One of them can, but he's even stopped too. So I don't know what, unless he can't move any more. He's basically got to sit there probably until he gets a green light to go. Can't go. He's got a red light. He can't go. Upper and lower lights are red, so he can't go.